Having another little look at the Galaxy Tab 7.7 here at the Samsung reception area. Just having a think about anything I might have forgotten yesterday. One question we had was, what was that little black button-like thing on the top? And for the American market, it's going to be an infrared transmitter, so you can use this as a remote control, which I think is a great idea. I actually wouldn't mind seeing that on the European version as well. We also said yesterday that there was no SIM card slot in it. That's because these are the Wi-Fi models. The SIM card obviously not applicable here, so the 3G models will get the SIM card slot. Going around the device again, yesterday we couldn't see the bottom. There's the connector, the docking connector. Can you tell me if the connector is the same as on the old Tab, so the old accessories work? Okay, same docking connector as on the old. So if you've got the HDMI cables and power cables from the old one, they work on the new one. Stereo speakers, again, I wonder if the speakers are as good. Let's see if we can test the speakers. Okay, you can't hear that. I can hear that though. It is not as good as the old Galaxy Tab. I'll tell you that. I know that straight away. Basically, because the old Galaxy Tab was thicker, I bet it's got bigger speakers in it. It's very simple. Loud enough though, so good enough for a loudspeaker phone, and that's important there. So once again, look at the back there. The camera, what's the camera resolution? Is it 3 or 5?
It's a 5.
It's a 5. So the camera I've just worked out is not, it doesn't do continuous autofocus in video, but it does do 720p, which is a step up from the kind of 480p or DVD resolution that the old Samsung Galaxy Tab used to do. It's 5 megapixel as opposed to 3.2 as well.
Super, danke, Peter.
So summarizing it again then, slightly bigger than the old 7. It's going to be more expensive, obviously. Don't be surprised if it comes in at the same recommended retail price as the old Tab did last year, 700 and above. Street price will be a different matter. Different screen. This is really, really a good step up from the old 7. Super AMOLED makes a whole lot of difference, not only to brightness outside, also to the density, color density, and also to battery life. With black backgrounds, you're going to save some battery life there, which is very important. Dual-core 1.4 gigahertz CPU and Honeycomb 3.2 as well. Samsung can't tell us anything about upgrades. You know, ice cream sandwich, for example. I think it's too early for them to say at the moment, but a lot thinner. Still fits in my back pocket, which is good news. So micro mobility around the house is good. I'm sure it'll be too big for quite a few suit pockets now, so you might want to check it out before you want to put it in your suit pocket. But overall, great improvements on the device. It's Chippy, ready for 2011 with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 7.7.